Alright people, we got the Apeman A87 Action Camera, 4K Ultra HD, 40-meter waterproof case, Wi-Fi control, time lapse. Alright, let's see. 4K Ultra HD, 40-meter waterproof, I think they mean the case, remote controller, touchscreen. Alright, let's check these specifications out. We already know it's 40K, 40-meter waterproof, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 1,500 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery, video specs, video resolution 4K, 60 FPS, 4K 30 FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, 180p 60 FPS, 180p 120 FPS is 724 240 FPS is recording mode, time lapse 0.1s, 0.5s, 1s, 5s. I think the 1.5 or 1.1s is 10 seconds, tenths of a second. 0.5s is half a second, 5 seconds. Loop recording minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Check these photo specs, recording mode, time lapse, loop video, slow motion, shooting mode, self timer, burst, time lapse. Let's check what's in the package. What we got in here. Zoom. Try to get some more zoom in here. Ooh, what is it? I got something here say hello. Hello, mate. Okay. And we got a travel case. It all comes in, it looks like. Okay, let's see what's in this. Ooh, the zipper's real tight. Okay, and then zoom out some. Alright, we get all these goodies, bells and whistles in this case. We get the Apeman A87 camera and the waterproof case. Remember, 40 meters depth, waterproof. We get 2 batteries, lithium-ion batteries. They're each 1,500 or 1,050 milliamp hour batteries. We get a remote control tool that can take photos or start and pause recordings. That's nice. We get some mounts in here. Different mounts. We get more mounts. Ooh, there's a lot of mounts here. Another mount. We get a cover case. Mount. Bicycle mount. Let's see what else we get in here. Other mounts. Double-sided sticky adhesive tape. Strap, which I think is for this remote control, pause and take pictures. We get some zip ties, cloth nylon straps for mounts and braces. We get a USB, we get a micro USB connector cable. Guess these are extra little supplies. We get a key, and we get a manual. Ooh, we get a white rag, clean our lens off on a manual, and quick start guide. Yeah, so we get a long screw. These are all the components that you get in the kit. They show you how to mount them, what each mount is used for. So, all in all, I think this is a pretty good kit. Comes with everything. Comes with a lot of bells and whistles. Everything is in the kit. Let's go ahead and put one of these batteries in here. Let's turn this on. Hold power. The lens size. As we can see, there's the view from the camera. As we can see, it's touch screen. Switch over to camera. See our zoom. Alright. Now that we recorded. Now that we recorded. Like this video, hit the like button down there. Subscribe to see more. Till next time, yo, take it easy.